Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out here gonna be working this driveway. So it kind of appears it's been sealed. Okay, this is the second one we ran into like this week. It's very unusual. It was so bad that we actually had to treat it twice and scrub it twice. And we pre-treated it, and I scrubbed it, and I could see it wasn't coming off. It wasn't disappearing like I wanted it to. So I did a quick knock the top of dirt off of it, as much green as possible, and then hit it with a stronger mix. That second stronger mix started killing everything. Stuff started disappearing, so I hit it with a quick scrub to agitate it, and then I let it set. Did not rinse or anything. I want to let that set because it's still working, so I want it to continue working. Then we ran our line out and, you know, sprayed the rest of it as much as we could out of our line, and just to let it sit on it. But that's a very unusual, but once in a while you run into ones that haven't been cleaned in years, like 10-15 years, and they're going to be that bad. Now after that, this will not be that bad to maintain if it wants it maintained every few years, but we have to get it to that maintenance level. But that's what we did. 2 scrubs, 2 pre-treats and 1 post-treat, and that got it to where we want it to be. But another one out of the books, Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.